Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today, we'll continue with the second topic of Microsoft Excel, which is on formulas, functions, and formatting. So before that, let's take a look at the objectives of this chapter. Okay, you may refer to textbook page 769. Okay, so at the end of this chapter, you should be able to use flash fill. What is flash fill? We'll look at it afterwards. Okay, enter formulas using keyboard. Okay, you use keyboard to enter the formula. You just type. Means you just type the formula. Okay, rather than using the formulas and functions that has been set in Excel. Okay, and then enter formulas using point mode. Okay, in which later on we'll see how to use the point mode. Apply the maximum, minimum, and average functions. This has been set in Excel. Verify a formula using range finder. Okay, afterwards I will explain to you in the hands-on exercise itself what does it mean by range finder. Apply a theme to a workbook. Same goes to Excel. We have theme just like Word and PowerPoint. Okay, apply a date format to cell or range. Okay, we may use the function afterwards to apply date. Add conditional formatting to cells. Okay, this is basically used if you want to compare or to highlight your Excel table. Okay, some of it, maybe a column or two columns or few columns. Okay, change column width and row height. Okay, this has been covered previously. Okay, check the spelling on a worksheet. Okay, just like words, okay, we can check the spelling. Change margins and headers in page layout view. This is for easier printing afterwards. If you check margin earlier, you will print the worksheet in the fit to a page, or you want it to be in 2 pages and so on. And the last one is preview and print versions and sections of a worksheet, in which you may try it on your own at home if you have printer, and print those worksheets. Okay, let's proceed with with entering the titles and numbers into the worksheet on page 773. Okay, first of all, you need to run Excel and create a blank workbook. This is a blank workbook. Okay, and then if necessary, you have to click cell A1 and then type Olivia's art supply in the selected cell. Okay, and then press down, type salary report. Okay, press down, then with cell A3 selected, type employee, and then press the right arrow key, type email address. Okay, right arrow key in cell C3, type dependents. In cell D3, type hours. Okay, and then press the alternate enter keys to enter the first line of the column heading. Alternate, enter. Okay, and then type work. Okay, and then press right arrow key, type hourly in cell E3, F3 gross pay, G3 federal tax, H3 state tax, I3 tax percentage, percent symbol, J3 net pay, and K3 hire date. Then to next page. Alright, so here we want to enter the salary data. Select cell C4. Okay, C4. Not C4, sorry, A4. Okay, you have to enter the employee's name first. Type Bennett Joanne. Okay, and then press the right arrow key 2 times to enter the employee name and make cell C4 the active cell. Okay, type 2 in C4 and then press the arrow key. Type 64.25 in cell D4 and then arrow key 19.75 in cell E4. Click cell K4. Okay, for hire date, type 4/5/12. Okay, enter the payroll data in table 16-1 for the 8 remaining employees in row 5 through 12. Okay, so you have to enter these data on table 16-1. Okay. Make sure the spelling is correct. Okay, because in Excel we tend to use most of the time the filter and the criteria. If there's misspelling, so it will be difficult for you